Mohsin Nawaz. Yes, that legend. Thank you, Mohsin, for changing my life. Hey guys, this is Jasmine Patel, and I welcome you to my first live video of today. So this is a rather different video. It's kind of emotional for me. So there's something I've never said out loud, and it's been in my heart for years, and today I want to take a moment to talk about someone who has inspired me more than words can explain. And that person is Mohsin Nawaz. Yes, that one. The legend. When I first met him on Facebook, I didn't even know the full story. I just knew he had this light, this incredible calmness and wisdom that drew people in. But when I took the time to actually learn about what he had gone through, it hit me so hard. Yeah, I ended up crying. Here was someone who had lost his sight and got polio at such a young age. Things that could break a person. Things that do break people. But not him. He didn't let that stop him. He didn't let that define him. Instead, he carved out this powerful, impactful life that lifts up everyone around him, and I was one of them. His story stayed with me. I carried it with me through the darkest times of my own life. Every time I felt stuck, lost, or too overwhelmed to move forward, I would remember him. I tell myself, if Mohsin could get through what he did and still rise, I can get through this too. And I did. Because that strength was contagious. His resilience became a voice in my head, cheering me on. He doesn't even know how many quiet victories he helped me win, just by being who he is. He probably had no idea that he was shaping someone else's future just by existing so courageously in his own. But now he knows. Now. And honestly, I wish I'd said this sooner, but sometimes when someone inspires you so deeply like he has, it takes time to find the right words, and even now I don't even know if these words are enough. Mohsin, bye, if you're hearing this. I know you're hearing this. Thank you for showing me what true strength looks like. For being a reminder that purpose is more powerful than pain. And for proving that even when life tries to dim our light, we can still burn bright enough to guide others home. Thank you, Mohsin, for changing my life. Bye for now.